Hello, my name is Nisha Krishnan Nair. My metric number will be 261237. Today I am here to present about brain cancer. It's my topic of the informative essay. So before I begin my speech, I would like to tell a very small story which involves me and my friend in my real life. I have a very close friend to me. She's still close to me. When we are in Form 3, she was diagnosed with a brain cancer. It was very hard for me to accept that she had a brain cancer, but all I thought was the cancer can be curable, but actually no. She have to undergo a surgery to remove that tumor in her brain. So now she's all fine. I hope really thank you God for giving her back to me. So without further ado, let's move on to our informative speech. So my main topic will be the brain cancer. My general purpose is to be informed, and the specific purpose will be to inform my audience about major 4 stages of the development of the brain cancer, which I will be telling each and every stage, what happens in each and every stage later on in my speech. And then the central idea will be the brain cancer is a life-threatening disease that develops through main 4 stages. So here I am. I'm going to tell you about what a brain cancer is all about. Mass and abnormal growth of cell in the brain is called as a brain tumor. Many different types of brain tumor exist. Some are dangerous, some are not. Some are called as a malignant. Brain tumors can begin in the mind, which known as the primary or early stage of the tumor, and dangerous development can begin in the various part of the brain itself and spread to your part of the body, which can be classified as the secondary or metastatic brain tumors. The main subject I'm talking about in my speech right now is the development rate, just as the area of the brain tumor decides how it influences the capacity of the body framework. Today, I will share you about the main 4 stages in the development of the brain cancer. In the first stage of the brain cancer, the growth of the cancer cell and tumor are very slow. The growth rate is very slow. The cell looks practically similar to the healthy cell. According to the researchers developed by the WHO, which stands for the World Health Organization, say that the primary and early staged brain tumor start in the brain itself and or in tissues near it. The tissues near it, what I meant was, for example, in the cerebrum, covering layers of cranial nerves or various organs. These cells have almost the same appearance as the healthy cell. It can, if we view through the microscope, all we can see the appearance are very similar to the healthy cell. So at this stage, diagnosed with brain cancer, it's an impossible thing. So second thing will be the brain tumor start at the ordinary cell, acquire mistakes or transform in the DNA. Transformation in the DNA. What I mean was the transformation in the DNA. It will become a mutation. There will happen a mutation in the DNA which causes the cell to develop and isolated at expanded rate to keep the living cell die. It will make the healthy living cell to die. Example of the grade 1 tumor is the philocytic astrocytoma. The summary of the first stage, the cells are very similar and the growth rate is low. So we move on to the second stage. What happened in the second stage? the size of tumor is relatively bigger. The cancer cell looks slightly different from the healthy cell. It started to have a different appearance than the healthy cell. So we can easily diagnose whether this is a cancer cell and this is the healthy cell. Okay. This tumor may spread to the tissues, so this could rehash after the primary treatment. After we done the treatment, primary treatment, we can't keep quiet because the cancer cell could be rehashed. These stages brain tumor frequently happen in the individual who have a past filled with disease. In any case, in uncommon cases, a metastatic brain tumor might be the primary indication of disease started now somewhere else in the body. The cell will look unusual when it's seen under a microscope. The cell have a high possibility when it spread to the nearby normal tissue and reproduce themselves. Let me review again for the second stage. What's happened in the second stage? Second stage, the cell would look slightly different from the healthy cell and it will spread to the other part or other tissue of the body. So what's happened in the third stage? The third stage, the cancer cell in the brain have quite become determined. The cancer's growth is evident. These tumors are malignant and develop substantially more quicker than grade 1 and grade 2 tumor cells. During microscopic analysis to the cell will show up a significant abnormalities when compared to other healthy cells. The cell reproduce themselves without any limit, tend to recur. This may recur as the grade 3 or change to a grade 4. The tumor cell affect the surrounding tissues. There is a possibility of infiltrate adjacent normal brain tissue. Research has also shown that the cancer reassurance is the occurrence after the treatment, after a period of time during which the cancer cannot be detected. For the third stage, just now, let me summarize again. What happens in the third stage? The cell will reproduce themselves without any limit, and when it viewed under a microscope, it will have a slightly different appearance than the healthy cell. So what happens in the fourth stage? In the fourth stage, which is also the advanced stage, the cancer cell in the brain have become quite determined. The stage which is known as the most cancerous brain tumor. It is also known as the advanced brain cancer. The tumor reproduce rapidly can have a huge impact in the cellular appearance when it viewed under the microscope. The cells are viewed as the dangerous disease, as the fact shows that they will develop quickly. The tumor spreads very quickly and the tumor cells do not look like a normal cells. The tumor cells will spread to different several parts of the brain. There is a high chance that it might create its own vein to help its quick development, which is a very dangerous to the brain. They have a little group of dead cells, not in the center or not in the core. Research has also shown that the cancer development will be a triple or double growth than the usual one in this particular stage. As a conclusion, we need to understand that the development are prominently called the brain tumors. Cancer and tumor are two different things, as the cancer disease is a term say for the harmful tumor. You will be grateful when you realize how important is taking care of your brain. Taking care of your brain, I mean like you have to take a preventive step. How we can take a preventive step to take care of our brain, avoid smoking, avoid radiation and something like that. So hopefully there will be more people will be more considerate that taking right step that can help to treat the brain cancer, because prevention is much better than cure. So thank you, that's all from me. Thank you.